Living that streetcar life. Just scraped the old windshield. Getting the wiggle wagon to go to work. I had to pry this darn door open. Let's see if she'll start. It's like 20 something degrees. Oh yeah. Oh. I've been driving this thing to work every day for like, I don't know now, probably 4 months at least. I really don't know. It's been several months. But it's been doing great. No maintenance issues or anything. So, you can see my breath in here. Anyway, I'm gonna drive her on into work.